in the line I come from, I'm disciple of Sri Maharaj, we've been told it's a little different conception that you will no need to get Siddha Pranali. Siddha Pranali, the seed is in the Diksha mantra, and one day when I qualify, it will automatically manifest in the heart. So is it possible to also achieve realization of one's Swarup in this way? Or does one have to get Siddha Pranali Ekadash?
Like you seem to be practicing devotion from few decades. Looks like you're practicing Hare Krishna for few decades.
Yes, 25, 30 years, yes.
When a devotee gets to a bona fide lineage, the guru on the there are two gurus. One who gives you initiation, and one is Samashti Guru in the spiritual world. The Samashti Guru is the form of Lord Krishna only. Samashti Guru stands on the left side of Krishna. The Guru here has a connection with the Samashti Guru. Samashti Guru in Golo Vrindavan, there are associates of the Lord, the parshas of the Lord in two forms. The two forms are Nishkriya Parshad and Sakriya Parshad. Nishkriya means motionless, stationary. They don't move, they are like dummies. You go to some clothing shop and they have dummies wearing dresses. Similarly, they are like innumerable gopis, sakas, manjis, etc. They are there in the spiritual world, gracing the spiritual world. They don't do any service, active service. But then there are active associates like Nand, Yashoda, Rupa, Manjari, Laita, Vishaka, etc. So the Guru here, on the strength of his meditation, he has connection with the Samashti Guru. When one takes initiation, he gives the Siddha Deha, Siddha Swarup, your eternal form as a Manjari. The Samashti Guru tells the Vyashti Guru, out of the innumerable Manjari Siddha Dehas, Nishkriya Siddha Dehas, that this is the Siddha Deha of this sadhaka.
Mahaprabhu says, Ataev Gopi Bhav Kori Angikar. Ratri Dine Chinte Radha Krishna Vihar. It is not after qualification you think of Radha Krishna. Ratri Dine, day and night. Siddha Deha Chinte Kari Tahi Sevan. In your Siddha Deha, Guru given Siddha Deha, you do all chintan of their pastimes. Sakhi Bhave Paye Radha Krishna Charan. Only this Sakhi Bhav you find Radha Krishna Charan, and Sakhi Bhav. See, Mahaprabhu's lineage is Mahaprabhu's eternal associate Lord Nityananda, Advaita, Narottam Das Thakur, and Galadhar Pandit. From the time of Mahaprabhu, last 500 years, the separate lines are coming. Like 18 or 19 gurus. So in our sadhana, we have to do Achman and Seva of all those 19 gurus. We should know who are the 19 gurus are. Like your tilak. The tilak should be same from starting till end. The mantra should be same from starting till end. The way of offering should be same from starting till end. We have to know all these things. Only then we can start our basic sadhana. This Rupa Goswami says, without his Bhut Shuddhi, without Guru Granth Siddha Swarupa, you cannot even start chanting. Without his Bhut Shuddhi, without Guru Granth Siddha Swarupa, you cannot even start chanting. Without his Bhut Shuddhi, without Guru Granth Siddha Swarupa, you cannot even start chanting. Jap Hom Vritha Jap Hom Adi Kriya Vritha Mataha. This all goes in vain if you are not doing without Bhut Shuddhi. Bhut Shuddhi means without knowing your Swarupa. See, we are attending Mangalarti, we don't know what our Swarupa is. Then whose Mangalarti is attending? Who is attending Mangalarti? And whose Mangalarti? Whose Mangalarti and who is attending Mangalarti? Only Sakhis and Majis can attend. Understand one thing for eternity. Spirit is served by spirit. Spirit is served not by matter. These bodies, they cannot render service. Spirit is served by spirit. It is the heart which is serving. And Man Nija Siddha Deha Kariya Bhavan. Your own Siddha Deha. Own means given by Guru. And this is the practice which is practiced by all the Mahaprabhu's associates from last 500 years. Nothing new has to be added. Nothing has to be added or subtracted. It is a very simple thing. We should draw a swarup from our Guru and meditate on that swarup day and night and just be there. We should draw a swarup from our Guru and meditate on that swarup day and night and just be there. We should draw a swarup from our Guru and meditate on that swarup day and night and just be there. That's simple. Okay, thank you. Hare Krishna.